Oh, welcome back again in our channel. So this time, we will solve again another problem in our code.org. I want to hear some feedback from you. Okay. So this time, we will be solving lesson 7, number 9 in grade 4. Okay, one of my students is asking, teacher, can you help me how to do it? Because I am confused how to solve this puzzle. So this time, we will solve this puzzle in lesson 7, number 9. Okay, are you ready now? Let's try. So, again, lesson 7 is about alien dance with Sprite. Okay. Click number 9. This is a mini project, alien dance. Okay, this is it. So number 9, in the instruction it says that now create your own alien disco. Looking for inspiration? Try these ideas. Create another alien that does another move when click. Make aliens do more dance move when they touch each other. Okay, so we will try how to solve this particular problem. Are you ready now? Okay, so if you see here on this side, make it bigger, we have 3 aliens here: the pink one, the blue one, and the yellow one. So we have the blue, pink, and yellow. Also, they have their action already. In our instruction, it says that we will create another alien, okay, that will move also when click. So let's try. Sprite, make a new one. We'll put it here. Then maybe we choose this one. What color? Green. Okay, it's green. Green alien. And what this green alien do? Okay, so we will add the Sprite here. And this one is for the green alien. You can see. So I add one. Sprite begins. This is for the green alien. Okay. Then what is the behavior of the green alien? Maybe what do you think? Spinning right, swimming left and right, wandering. Okay, let's try spinning right. Do we have any spinning right here? No. Okay, spinning right. Okay, so let's try if it will move. So when it click, run, you can see the green alien is, okay, the green alien is spinning right. You can see it. Okay. Okay, that's it. So if you want to add more Sprite, more action, you can add more event. Example, this one. Now, this is important. In the second instruction, it says that make alien do more dance move when they touch each other. This one is already done. But if you want to continue your work, you can add this one. Make aliens do more dance move when it touch each other. Meaning when it's bump each other, it will do another move. So for example, events. This is events. When touch each other, click. I will put it down here. Okay, so here now, this is the second instruction, that the alien do more when it's when they touch each other. So here, when the pink touches the blue, you can change the color if you want. Okay, if you want yellow, you can. But in this case, I choose the pink and the blue. This one, the pink and the blue. So the event that the pink alien will touch the blue, what happened? So let's go add Sprite. Sprite begins, the blue begins to, but the behavior, Okay, you can choose. For me, growing. So in the event that the pink will touch the blue will grow. Okay, it will grow and grow. Okay, let's try. Run. Now, if you can see, the pink one touches the blue is growing. You understand? So that is how to do our lesson 7, number 9. Okay, so after you do it, you just click finish. Okay, and your puzzle number 9 is done. So, hope you enjoy solving our puzzle in lesson number 7. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe our channel and be notified by clicking the bell on your screen. Okay? Till next time, see you.